Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Meetup account on your device. In order to delete or deactivate your account, you'll not be able to do it from the application, so you'll have to log in from the web browser. And also you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. Now let us get started. So first of all, open up your web browser. Now as the web browser loads, on the search box type in meetup.com. So on the other page, you'll have a lot of options, so you'll have to tap on www.meetup.com. As you can see that I'm already logged in. Now only purpose of this method is to show you that you must be logged in into your device, only then you'll be able to delete it. So next what you have to do is close this tab. Now once again type in www.meetup.com/account, and once again I repeat, I will leave all the link on the description box so you can find it out there. Now as you type in, on the other page you have a lot of websites, so from here you'll have to tap on www.meetup.com/account. Now as you tap on the link on the other page, the interface kind of look like this, and on the left hand side corner you can see different icons. Now from there you'll have to tap on the gear icon, which is on the third step. Now as you tap on the gear icon, on the other side you can see account management. Now on this side just scroll down, and right at the bottom you can see deactivate your account. Under it you can see statements, so make sure to go through it before you tap on deactivate account, which is right at the bottom. So once again there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through it, and before deleting your account, in order to confirm your identity, you'll have to enter a password that is associated with your Meetup account. And once you've gone through it and finish entering your password, so tap on submit. So as you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deactivated. And after some time you'll even receive an update through email saying that your Meetup account has been deactivated. Now that is how you can deactivate your Meetup account on your device. In case if you are new to our channel, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.